Biggest wave of my life!
Welcome back to Season 4 of the Tiny Home Adventure. We continued a bit further south in hopes to find some surf. The best part of having this Bronco is that I'm able to explore so much deeper, further, and faster than I was in the Muse roamer. We finally found some surf. Surf is a new passion of mine. I've been surfing seriously for about 2 years. I feel like I've spent my 10,000 hours in the mountains, but I still have so much to learn. But the ocean provides an entirely new set of lessons. Every time I paddle out, I learn something new about myself, or the water, or surfing, or how I interact with others. Moments of pure adrenaline followed by moments of complete serenity. This really allows me to settle in, reset my frequency so to speak, and work through whatever is going on in my head. Surfing is also one of the most challenging and humbling sports I've ever learned. I will be a lifelong student.
We're out, finally have some fun in the water. Just got blown up by a cleanup set. That's scary, it's held down for a little bit. But it's big, it's fun. Hoping to catch a couple bombs. Let's go. Honestly, I'm trying to get a shot of a barrel too. Like, filming the barrel, not actually riding the barrel because I'm not that good. So we're getting ready to take off and hike up and over this mountain to go do some spearfishing. There's an old abandoned port and we're gonna go check it out. Oh yeah. Just seeing the bay now, looks beautiful. Move by some rocks. Maybe see some fish, hopefully. Fingers crossed. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? You're a hot dog. Some water on your head. That's so beautiful. Yeah, look at this place. The water is so clear. It's absolutely insane. So, I'm gonna go cruise around, explore, see some good fish, make some good dinner. Great, if not, that's just cool to explore.
As I gain more experience spearfishing, I've started to learn which fish are my favorite to eat and how to hunt those specific fish. Everything has started to slow down, and I really enjoy just seeing a side of nature that I was really totally unfamiliar with just a couple years ago. On this session, I never saw a fish I wanted to bring home, so I just had a ton of fun exploring a new spot and watching a different ecosystem. After a few days, we headed back to the Sea of Cortez to explore a new kite spot with some friends. Along the way, we found a little mud patch and had some fun with the Bronco. We followed a kiter to the secret spot and decided that the Bronco needed a good cleaning. On the next episode of the Tiny Home Adventure, I get invited on an expedition to one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. A place where whales come to give birth to their young, a magical place called Magdalena Bay. Stay tuned and thank you so much for following along. Please drop a comment, let us know what you think, share this video, do all that good stuff, and we can't thank you enough for your time, for watching these videos. Lots of love from Kicker and I.